Thank you, honey. I think I can screw some screws and take some measurements and move some things around, and then after a while we'll be ready to cut another one. Okay, there's the first one up. Now I'll make a measurement and cut the second one. I'll have to pull these boards out so I can get it up here, and then put the boards back, and then ease it into place. And I'll need to cut the fan off while I'm doing that, obviously. So, I'll take my measurement. I gotta redo my switch. I thought I'd left enough hanging out, but apparently not even close. I gotta move my switch out a little more, but I can certainly do that later on from inside the closet there. Alright, here's that.